How to activate Tap to Pay in Shopify. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can activate your Tap to Pay in Shopify on iPhone in the easiest and most quickest way possible. So what you're going to be doing is you are going to make sure, first of all, that your store is based in the United States, okay? Because if it's not, you will not get this feature. So you're going to go into your settings, base your store in the United States, and once you have done that, from there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to move over to the payments option. Now, the reason we're going to go to the payments option is because over there, you're going to get the privileges to turn on Tap Pay. Now, to actually turn on Tap Pay, all you're going to need to do is either add it through the supported payment methods, or you can even add it through Shopify's very own payment method, which is basically just called Shop Pay, all right? Or Shopify payments. But you can go through additional payment methods as well. I would recommend going through Shopify payments, but Shopify payments obviously takes a lot of verification. So you can activate Tap Pay from here, or you can simply come over here into your additional payment methods. And now that we're here in our additional payment methods, you can just go on search and you can search up Tap Pay. Okay. Now you can see different providers as well that provide Tap Pay, and there we go. So there's Tap Payments, and once you have Tap Payments over here, you're going to click on it. And once you click on it, from there on out, it's going to take you through the whole setup process on how we're going to add Tap Payments for our phone. Obviously, use the sender ID, the special code, and stuff. And once you add all those things, you're good to go. That is how you are going to be adding Tap Payments in your Shopify through your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.